Hello everyone, this is Hayat Damania, IT educator of Lakshmi Global School. In today's world, technology is growing very fast and we are getting in touch with new different technologies day by day. Here, one of the booming technology of computer science is artificial intelligence, which is ready to create a new revolution to the world by making the new and intelligent machines. Today, artificial intelligence is now all around us and it's currently working in the variety of the subfields ranging from general to specific such as self-driving car, chess playing, proving algorithms, listening music, drawing, painting and so on. But the question is, what is artificial intelligence? So let's begin with this term. Artificial plus intelligence is equals to artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is composed of two words, artificial and intelligence. Here, artificial means man-made and intelligence means a thinking power. Means artificial intelligence defines a man-made thinking power. Artificial intelligence, also shortened as an AI. AI is the branch of computer science that emphasizes the development of intelligence machines thinking and working like humans. In simplest way, we can say that AI is the branch of computer science in which you can design the intelligent machines which are able to act like a human, think like a human, behave like a human, and able to make own decisions. With AI, you do not need to pre-program a machine to do some work. That means, suppose if any normal gadget like the mobile phone, it is pre-programmed that it is able to send and receive the calls. Despite of that, you can create a machine with programmed algorithms which can work with own intelligence, and that is awesomeness of AI. Means the program you design able to take its own decision and must have its own thinking power. So the program which has a man-made thinking power is called AI. So now we understand the term AI. So let's see the history and revolution of the AI. 1950. This is where it all started. A computer scientist posed a question, are there imaginable digital computers which can do well in the imitation game? In 1956, it became artificial intelligence. John McCarthy, an American computer scientist, which is widely known as a father of an AI, coined the term artificial intelligence as a part of his proposal in the 1956 Dartmouth Conference. After then, by 1959, the first lab is established. MIT established the first AI lab in 1959. Since then, it has merged with the MIT for the computer science to become the CSAIL. Students, let me remind you that this is the world's most famous and important AI lab. After that, in 1975, the first powerful use case of AI shown. Stanford University developed mycin which helped the physicians to identify the bacterial infections such as meningitis. Then, by 1987, saw the interest of drops in AI. The second most drops of interest of AI in investment. Then 1997 saw the first computer to beat the chess champion. IBM's chess playing computer beat the world chess champion in one game of the chess in 1996 and after that winning the entire game by the 1997. Then after that in 2002, the robots replaced the human. Amazon made a big decision to replace the human editors with the basic AI system and arguably led the show to the business that how AI could be utilized. After that, in 2011, the first use of voice, Apple introduced Siri to the world. This is the first most voice-based conversational interface which catalyzed the race towards the best voice assistant. This has happened in the 2011. Then after, in 2016, AI moved to the next level capability. The Google's AlphaGo AI system, and you can say that is AI mission, beat the world champion of Go. Possibly this is the world's most difficult and most strategic game which has 1080 possible outcomes. Then in 2020 and beyond, it is predicted that by 2024, AI will be integral to every part of the business, resulting in 25% of the overall spend on AI solutions. So this is completely the history of the AI. So now you can identify that this is really interesting, right? Isn't it? Let's now see some of the AI solutions which we are using in our daily lives. The first one is Siri. Siri is one of the best voice assistant, and you can say the personal voice assistant offered by the Apple in iPhone and iPad. This friendly female voice activated assistant interacts with the users on a daily basis. She assists you to get the information, get direction, find new information, then send messages, receive calls, open the applications, and add an event to the calendar. Siri is surely one of the best and iconic example of an AI. Tesla. Tesla, which is co-founded by the Elon Musk. Tesla is not only a smartphone but also the automobiles shift towards the AI. Tesla is one of the best automobile available until now. The car has not only breached the many accolades but also the features like self-driving, then predictive technology, and also the absolute technological innovation surely make this car smarter day by day. The next one is Cogito. Cogito is originally co-founded by Dr. Sandy and Joshua, which is one of the good example to improve the intelligence of customer support representative on current market. Cogito is applicable to the millions of voice calls that take place every day. Next is the Netflix. Netflix really need no introduction. It is widely popular content on demand services which use the predictive technology to offer the recommendations to the customers based on the customer's reaction, interest, choice, and behavior. The technology use the records from and that records they are using to provide the customers and offer and recommend a movie to the customers based on the previous likes and experience. Next is Echo. Echo is launched by Amazon and it is getting smarter day by day and adding new features. Echo is a system that's using AI technology and techniques to become the smarter and more versatile. It is actually a revolutionary product that helps you to search the web for the information, schedule appointments, report weather, report problems, then also report the traffic and control lights, read the audiobooks and so on by using the Alexa voice service. This is actually one of the good example of AI. So these are some of the solutions of AI. We have seen the term AI, then we have seen the history of AI and also which solutions we are using in our daily life. We can say that AI is the intelligence of machines in the branch of computer science that aims to create it. John McCarthy, who coined the term science and engineering, are making intelligent machines. As we have seen, AI gaining popularity on a daily basis and it's getting more popular day by day. We can say that there are many more to come in the coming years with the improvements, more better governance and development. That's all. Thank you.